it's really important to understand for manufacturing companies that there are many different drivers why sustainability is becoming more and more important all the time. First of all, there's of course this regulation, but also the market has changed. So customers are requesting more and more sustainability data and actions from their whole supply chain. And why this is specifically important for supply chain management is that there's that kind of US research that indicates that actually the supply chain emissions and impacts regarding sustainability are 26 times higher than the internal operational impacts. So even when you are doing everything perfectly in-house, you are just covering like maybe less than a percentage of your impacts. So I would like to encourage all the manufacturing leaders to think about how they could create a competitive advantage based on sustainability. So not just to think about the cost and quality and flexibility and those like a traditional supply chain management performance objectives, but to think about how to create it based on sustainability. So to understand that actually the sustainability, it's not just a cost, it can be investment, it's not just some like reporting obligation, it can be a strategic choice for companies to create new value for customers and also to drive growth. So companies should see it more as like an investment than cost. And think about also like what does it mean if you are not investing in this? Are you dropping out of the market and will you be future-proof anymore?